So right now we're watching a scary movie. Let's see what happens.
Oh shit, this is...
Oh, this is scary. Oh my god! Oh my god! My crotch! Nothing even happened yet!
He's bleeding!
No!
Stop! Stop! Don't touch it! Stop! Look, that's weird!
Huh?
Oh, that's right. Mary shows the phone.
Yeah.
Stop! It's scary! Stop! My knife on fire! You're gonna burn! Stop! No, look! No, get water! No, it's burning! No, what's wrong with him? He's burning! He's dying! Turn it off! Turn it off! I'm gonna burn when I sleep!
If you look at the mirror, you're gonna burn and die.
No, I can't look at my mirror! Stop! Turn it off! Stop! When you get closer, go back!
No! I wanna stay here!
Dude, I'm not gonna be able to look at my mirrors. I'm gonna burn when I look at my mirror. I'm not gonna burn this hard.
Oh, there, see? See, he's fine. He's
Get closer! Stop!
Okay.
Stop too close! Go back! Nothing happened.
Nothing happened!
There was a fire! It was hallucination.
He's hallucinating. He's on drugs. Oh my god. Okay.
What's that? Oh.
Ah, party foul. Okay, that's round one. Let's see. That's round one. I'm gonna upload this tonight. I'm gonna upload this right now.